Come on, Penny!
So exactly. Like, you tell him no that like only knowledge that people understand. So
Yeah. But I don't know why. I don't know why we didn't say that. And then like I was so like it's so
Oh, yeah, get away, I like him, bro. Hey, we need the camera.
wait, you know those two shorts?
Dark, bro.
Right over there! Hey, let's take Louis. Remember, 3 men. Ronnie, 3 men, 4 men. Yeah, you got to switch on defense. Talk. Got to talk. Got to talk. Jake, boys. Go. Get up.
Yes.
It's fast.
No one's worked hard in that tackle. Everyone's all shit, they're coming fast. We know they're coming fast. Work hard, dominate. Slow it down. Wait, are you
They're probably going for it.
I just told him behind
Big chance. Let's go. Take it. Good. Nice. Nice on there. Yes. Straight. We've got it straight. We've got to start simple.
Nice running.
Owen, pull them!
Oh, tell Andre to run the ball. Tell Andre to run the ball.
Oh, that's not good enough. Our big boys need to put their hand up here. That's weak.
Jermaine! Have a run! Go, Jermaine! Run!
Nice,
Come
Jermaine.
on!
No one's on lead. No one's on lead or anything. Helping your legs out. You just get
Oi, Ronnie! Get them to run lead! Take it! Take! Yes, that's it! Oh, sir! Oh, wait.
Stay out on your wing.
Come on, Owen! Chase Owen! Get him out! Yes! Oh, take him, Owen! Oh, wrap him up! Oh, good pass, off. Let's go! Yes. Xavier.
Come on.
Xavier.
Is he?
Yeah.
Where?
Xavier. I don't know, he's on his nose. Bottom of the line.
Hey, just tell them a good little bit of a here there. Capitalise and obviously calm it down. We're in for a fight here.
Yeah.
Let's just do our job. Everyone's got to stand up for each other.
Heads up, heads up.
I jumped in.
Big change, boys. Let's go.
Run, boys!
Nice pick. He really made a good tackle, but he played the ball and 3 people off. He really had to stop. Okay, look, tell him. It's okay. We're not practicing the bench for this, but we knew we'll come and be big for what happened. But these are the things that need to be done. Off the ground quick, so yeah, he's getting off the ball. The play the ball has to be there, not just the ball. Yeah, okay, yeah. So work harder on the bench. Just keep him happy, keep him in there.
Time you run, boys.
Keep going, go!
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, they used to jump on top of them. But that's it.
Yeah, now lay on him.
Yes, Finn!
That's it.
Nice, Finn!
Give him a wrap on.
Yeah.
Nice run.
Rappy Map! Nice, slow it! Slow it! Bruce!
Yes. Much better set.
Bruce!
On your left.
Chase him, Ronnie!
Come on.
Yes. Hey, not the result, but much better set. Give him a wrap. Okay, trying to make a difference. Dylan's just bought himself an extra set if he wants it.
Yeah. Wait, what do you next set?
Well, I was about to pull him off now, but we'll keep him on. If he's keen for another minute or two, he can stay there.
Yeah.
Good work. How are you going to give him? Yeah, take the legs out. It's the same three boys that used to take doing the first 3 run-ups. Boom, boom, boom. Leo, if he wants to, he doesn't have to, just say if he wants to.
Subtle, yeah, subtle.
Yeah,
keep that up. Let's keep going.
What's the next one? Tell them there's a massive improvement already. So that's really good. Now, obviously, now we're doing that. Well, let's concentrate on trying to back that ball up because we're getting opposite and halfway through every play. So let's get after our mates. Got to communicate in that tackle a little bit. I've got good, but massive improvement already. Keep that. Try and add back the ball up. Yeah, just Charlie starting to get, I think Dylan's ready. Once I'll do, and that's all I want from him, but Charlie's starting to get he might just check on Charlie for me, please. Don't take him yet, but just see if he wants to come. So to Charlie.
Yep, he's off.
So go.
He's already off.
Charlie, I think he's number 12. Oh, is that 8? What? Head knock?
Head knock.
Baby, come on.
Go Penny, go Penny.
Oh, I don't know.
That'd be a slacker. Yes! That's it, Owen! That's it! Spawn! Spawn! Yes, Owen! Up the ball! That's it! Up ball! Yes! Get back on! Yes!
Andre, get him pushing.
Oi, Owen, good slow. Yeah, mate. Wrapping him up. Just tackle through.
Owen, you good?
Come on, feet! Get him on! Get him on!
Come on, boys.
Chase him, Dre!
Go, Dre.
You want to get when we've got the ball, he'll be praying, but there's no need for that. And just, I'll make it. Keep them up, there's still plenty of improvement. Like we forced a mistake through good defence. Okay, take our wins where we get them. All right, massive improvement, really happy. We're improving already. Let's just keep up down that path.
Reinforce the positive there.
Yeah, mate. Yeah.
Yeah. Staying or bring him? Bring him now. Yeah. And I'll we'll push Penny up the front row, and Noel will come on.
Okay.
For his spot.
Now or?
Yeah.
Okay.
Take up. So you got to give it to this lady. We're going to take Dylan off, which is number 8.
Jermaine, have a breather. Have a breather. You good? All right.
Go north.
Oh,
Go Dom.
give.
Go Penny.
Dylan, I love what you did there, bro. Boy, you just put yourself next to 8 minutes, okay? Because what you're doing is...
Andre, shift right.
Yes, Noah! Yes! Slow! Yes, Noah! Yes, Noah! Yes! Ik weet je... Oh, Noah, yes!
Drop, Dilo, drop.
Now I got mail sent there. It's all right. That's much better though. Keep that energy.
That's it.
Get up, get up! Tackle! On the ground. Yeah, slow, slow. Too quick.
Yes.
Good stuff. Tell him, yeah. I don't mind that penalty because it's someone we are all starting to improve and he's fresh on, so he's learning. That's good cover. I love our energy. I love that we're standing up for each other. We need that. Let's keep it up. Right, tell him I'm really happy on the sideline now.
Yeah.
And tell Jermaine, yeah, Jermaine can come now. Yeah, have you already told him? Sorry? Nah, tell him come.
When we get the ball,
Yeah.
want to hold something up immediately.
That's good to be aware of. We just...
Yeah, exactly. It's like when you get a relief, they get a relief, you get a relief.
Not give it back.
At least
the time for the season.
Well, at least then the
Standard.
with standard.
Yeah, that's right.
Next one.
Catch it!
Good one, Owen!
Marcus, work!
Work, Marcus!
Nice, good slow. Nice, Matty.
Come, Matty!
Chase, Jay.
Let's go, Joe.
Run!
Let's go back forward. Have a run, Connor!
Good work, Connor.
Pass, pass. Come on, Penny! Penny! Nice, Percy! Together. Nice, Dennis.
Okay, boy.
Good work, Preston.
Nice. Yes, Penny.
Push up!
Drive, drive. Yeah, Penny.
Alright, push up!
Put it up. Big Jake, let's go. Chase away. I get it. Don't tell him to come off, though. Rest! 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 Put your hand up. Yeah. Yeah, bring him off, Mum. Put your hand up.
Put your hand up. You go. Running with you. So she can work on him. You put your hand up.
Work, Tommy. You good, Tom? Stepping. Go.
Get in there, Finn. Thought Finn was on the bench. Yeah, no, that's what he meant.
Three, 4 minutes to go to half time. Yeah. That didn't deserve what we have been doing. Let's keep improving, keep concentrating on that, and when we do get the ball, we complete our sets. Yeah. Just full contact.
You didn't start? Yeah. Oh, yeah.
If you make 3 games, you've done it.
Come on, Penny. Get them legs go. On your run.
It's like it's so easy.
Ready on? Go! Bounce.
Oh, that's not Oh, what's that?
Get him, Owen! Go, Owen! Help him! Yeah, boy! Slow it! Slow it! Yes! Yes, Owen!
Let's use it! Andre, run the ball!
Let's complete the set, eh?
Xavier, get to a kick, yeah? No stupid shit, boys, let's go. Play properly.
Good work, Owen.
Solid Onyx.
Go, Matty!
Good work, Matty!
Righto, Penny!
Just bring an X-mate.
Come on, Penny.
Go, Matty! Oh, go now! Yeah! Get back, Andre! Yeah! Get outside! Oh, son! In the bin! Ah, you go, Ken.
What happened?
Wait.
You must be a Broncos rep.
Yeah, no, just slow down. Wait, Noah, you got to keep coming, but don't run.
Yeah, slow down.
Just slow down.
Whoa, Tiger.
Oh, because the time is run out. Good work, Oliver. Good work. You get some. What? No, they get. I get some bit.
I think it's over there.
3 seconds because you're sitting there. I come with that.
So I was just thinking, we could say to the boy you just speak at half time, and then I'll just take him back up to the tent. Is that all right with you guys? Because he didn't do
Can you mute all the audio? Can you mute all the audio?
that. Can you just tell me
Now hold him down.
when you get out there? I can't really
Which is alright. Hey, I told my mum in the car, I was like, because I'm like,
The first one works, that one but that's what the problem is when if you fall up, if you come back, you fall and then if you come back on the hold them down, you sort of got to keep them. You have to stay fixed.
You think I got sick? You think I got sick? No. I didn't. I'm surprised. Hey, I'm surprised. Raise this game. And I like this is a fullback. Go, man. He was so steady. Ben's always chirping it. I'm not going on, but he wants to big bang chirp. And his character is big bang. Nice. Behind the mark is chirping. Yes, that is. Behind the mark. Braden's always got that type of a
Right, you can't overlook the coaches when they come on the field. You can't come off the field. We're too close to the Just say that was obviously a start with a rush to get out there. Reset now. Obviously, the reset. Let's think about that. They're going to go. Here you go. Help him.
You all right or what?
Leo. Come on, mate. He spent too much time with you, hasn't he? Did you get him to fill him up? It was your fault.
Yeah, it was.
Just teach
Big
him.
Trace, big Trace.
Get the shot off! Owen, shot!
Keep working, get on.
Nice spin! Nice, let's go, let's go.
Oh, good
Set
call,
up here.
Rev.
Come on, Blake. Andy!
Good work, Zito.
Check on him, please.
Come on.
Come on, Jermaine!
Go, Preston.
Can't see it. There's just a big shot and it's on 1 hand into that. We have to be better looking up to that. Yeah, not the 80 kilos of that.
No, yeah.
Because we don't need.
Is it alright?
Well, why are they fucking hands up? Ask them to come off. Hey, I said to them, just please.
Mustangs! Mustangs!
Check as soon as you can.
He's going to tell you he's fine, maybe. He's going to tell you he's fine. We need to look like a Work, Preston!
Run around there. Cruzito is the other winger.
Yeah, good work, boys!
That's what we want!
Well done.
Go.
We can't be doing that. This can't be a habit. Only because he's coming off.
That's really allowed.
You know the thing I got?
Hi, Mustangs!
T! Run it up! Another one there. Go! Getting corner! That's Benny! That's your boy.
Well, we know. It's just that.
Better say bye.
That's my one. We're just making a decision. They got yeah. We got Ollie. Yeah. One is an assessment. Yeah. Yeah. So that's all. Yeah, we say yes. Ollie. What?
Stay in the fight. Mustangs, stay in the fight. You alright, Chris?
Don't stop laughing, eh?
Race on it, chase!
Need a bit more there. Make sure you answer all this as honestly and as truthfully as possible. Don't change your answers because I won't understand. You've got to answer it truthfully.
Come on, TJ!
Are you okay? Yeah.
No, I'm just saying, like, as an idea, you know, like,
Big chase, come on. Head up, mate. Big chase, Onyx. Go.
Yeah. Next opportunity, maybe.
come on, boys.
That's it, Jermaine!
Get him, Ose. Oh,
Yes, Onyx.
That was good.
Rappy Moss! Get him, Connor. Get him, Connor.
Hey, give Dre a rap there, effort to the end. That's what we want to see. That's awesome. Good rap. Get a try score on it. Hey, Connor, end the game, let's go. Finish strong. Come on, Bill. Hey, come on, Bill.
Yay! Let's use it out. Hello, boys. Help him! Nice, Penny. Penny. Yes, Penny. 2 on 1. That was 2 on 1. Oh. Chase some money. Work, boys! Slot! Go, Connor! Up, Connor! Oh! Ball center! Ball Xavier!
Lady. Well, next time we.
Break! Come on, Jermaine! Nice, Jermaine. Get off him. Nice, Preston! Oh, oh, I'm joking.
Big boys, put your hand up here.
Henny! Shot, Benny.
Nice work, Penny.
Go with him, Benny! Support him! Go, Finn. Go, Finn. Play it. Play it. Go, Jermaine.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Let's get on top and front on. There was 4, there was 4. 11. 12 to 11. Go, 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 go.
Just wait, just wait, just wait.
Shot next.
That block, lead to Tali, lead to Tali.
Nice, nice. Oh. Oh, leg.
Legs, boys!
Yes! Nice!
Rotation, Mustang!
Come on. Go, Joe. Oh, go on.
Go to Charlie.
Go, Jermaine. Help him! Help him! Go.
Left, left.
Finn's gonna scoot. Oh.
Against another team.
Go, Penny! Oh.
Oh, held up. Oh, you landed on 2 and 10.
You would like that, wouldn't you?
Oh, go this way.
Left, go.
Don't kick. Oh.
Tackle and go!
There'll be a oh,
Go, Joe! Get onside, boy! Dragon, dragon. Good chase.
That was good. That was all right. That's it. We come unstuck because team was over 9, so it slows that big play down. So we can't be too disappointed about that. Again, everyone's experienced.
Glad you're here, Leo.
50 more minutes and you're diving for, eh?
So see you next week.
So they're only 5 minutes left? Yeah. Oh, go! Go! Oh. Tackle him!
Everyone was right. So there's no excuse to leave that.
Forward. Nice on. Stops. Connor! Kick, Connor! Kick!
Fatigued, damn body, they just don't want to. Is that
Out! Get across, Andre!
Last play, get one more.
Xavier, take the 2.
It's not a penalty.
Is it not?
It's a mistake.
Yeah, it's on the full day.
Boys, let's get lead. Lead them, Wes. Come on. Look after yourself. Xavier, keep after him. Keep moving. Look after him.
Good work, Dill.
Who's running? Get a run in, boys.